viewers, subscribers, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. JV Radio. We're here to bring a sad news today, my people. You see, so we have learned that former Reggae boy attacker Tremaine Stewart has passed away, my people. So it was reported that Stewart collapsed this morning. He was then rushed to the Spanish hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. You know, my people, he was 33 years old, recently signed with a Jamaican Premier League team by the name of Bowling FC. They recently moved up from Super League to the Premier League. My people, he previously represented Waterhouse FC and Palmer United locally, you get me, and played for a few international teams overseas. One team in Norway, the other one was in Finland. My people, actually a well-known football player. You know, Stewart represented Jamaica 11 times, making his debut in 2012. I think he scored 2 to 3 goals for Reggae boys, my people. Now, it's just a sad news, you know, and I just want to say, first and foremost, my condolence goes out to the family and friends of Mr. Stewart. Is it? May his soul rest in peace. Not to mention, if we can get some RIP in the comment section below as well. Information are sketchy at this time. It's not clear as to what really caused him to collapse. Once there is more information out there, I'll provide you guys with an update if needs be. You know, but just a sad day for the football community. You know, like friends and family. We saw where a person took to Instagram to show their condolence. At first, the message was not clear and persons were waiting on confirmation. But it has been confirmed by Nationwide Radio. You know, very creditable media outlet, my people. So again, as I say, it's just a sad news. You know, sad day today. And my people would just need to just show the family and friends them support. If you watch Tremaine Stewart playing for Waterhouse, well, I knew him from when he was playing Waterhouse, nothing personally, but Waterhouse was one of my favorite Premier League clubs. So I've watched him play a few matches. You know, excellent attacker. You know, my viewers, subscribers, very quick on the ball, and you know, and it shows that he was actually a talented individual. You know, my viewers, subscribers, he played 11 times for Jamaica, and he made his debut, as I mentioned earlier, back in 2012. But before I go again, RIP and my condolence goes out to the family and friends. I can drop some RIP in the comment section below, my people. You see it, another great person drop out. You know, every day somebody special drop out for everybody. We might not know them in person, but you know the loved ones and family might go through it. You know, my people, because it's not easy to lose somebody. Or if you ever, or if you're watching this video now and you have ever lost someone that was very close to you, you know, like close to you, you know the feeling. So you know the feeling is not neutral. The feeling it's really overwhelming and hard to bear, my people. So Janu, but with any further ado, ensure you give this video a like, you know, not to mention subscribe to the channel. Also share the video if you can, and till next time, just vibes, I'm out.